The Voyage, no problem. Twisted Colossus, easy peasy. Tremors, Timber Terror, Aftershock, Stunt Pilot. I can ride them all day. But there is one roller coaster here at Silverwood that absolutely does me in. Tiny Toot. I'm a Tiny Toot, and like I say, this one does me in. But I'm a grandpa, and I have a grandson who's 2 and loves it. And says, "Ride with me, Grandpa, ride with me, Grandpa, ride with me, Grandpa, ride with me, Grandpa," over and over and over and over and over and over again. But I do it. Why? Because that's what grandpas do. Yeah, looks timid, doesn't it? And let's talk about the elephant in the room. Is this even a roller coaster? Because you see that thing in the middle? That's for power. This does not coast. This is powered. So is it a roller coaster or is it a flat ride? Let's find a shady spot to sit down and talk about Tiny Toot. Well, first off, the question, is it a coaster? Is it a credit? Well, contrary to what I said in the Howler video, that coasting makes something a roller coaster, I'm going to contradict myself here for 2 reasons. I do count this as a roller coaster. First off, the Compendium of Coaster Cognition, also known as RCDB.com, the roller coaster database, lists this as a roller coaster. And Silverwood on their website lists this as a roller coaster. But that's not enough. They could have a different definition than I do. At the end of the day, this ride's like a roller coaster. Over and over and over again. Until your inner ear says, "I surrender. Uncle, get me off. Please, 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 please." The only reason I ride this is because I'm with the kid. And in fact, I'm not with a kid today, so I am lying to you in this video. I am not riding this today. I am talking about it based on all the other times I have ridden it. With my own kids, with my grandkids. Well, that's enough for this one. If you have something to say about powered coasters, say it below. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. And next time we will be taking on another roller coaster, a real roller coaster, if you will, here at Silverwood. Until then, gravity keeps trying to bring me down, but I'm not falling for it.